Wakanda, here I come. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. My name is Jaytee, but just call me JT. And that's for those of you that do not know me. But if you do know me, what's up, boo? Thank you so much for coming back. If today's your first time of seeing me, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. So today I have this tutorial for you guys. I'm on my way to watch Black Panther with my husband, and I decided to create this look. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I do not know what the movie is about. I honestly do not know what the movie is about. I only watch Nigerian movies, and I also only like romantic or family or drama movies. I'm not really into all this comic or action movies. So yes, I am going just because of the hype and I want to know what it's about. Yes, I want to watch it, because I'm seeing all these people dressing up, going to go watch it, and I want to dress up too. Who doesn't like to dress up? I know I love to dress up. I always look for a reason to dress up. So this was one of the reasons for me to dress up, and I'm really excited to be going. And I'm really happy to be going. Trying not to be scared because I get scared easily. That's why I don't watch action movies and anything crazy or horror movie. I do not do that. So I hope this will not come across to me as scary or horrific or too actiony. That's a word. But I created this look. I really love how it turned out, y'all. You guys know I stick to my nude lips, and I know I do red, but this red I just love how it turned out. This is ABH liquid lipstick in Seraphine, and this is actually a very old tube. It's like almost drying, and I love how it's applied. Usually I like older mascaras, but I think I love older lipsticks now too, because I just love how it applied on my lips. And I mean, their lipstick don't really transfer, but I feel like this is not going anywhere. The top I'm rocking to Black Panther today is from a Soaking Enofe. I'm gonna leave her link down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. She sells all these Ankara fabrics, Ankara bonnets, Ankara tops, Ankara tops, dresses, chiffon dresses, beaded dresses. She also sells like bridal fabrics as well. But without wasting too much of your time, let's just jump right into this tutorial. Okay, I'm going to be taking my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to start by taking the shade Universal. Be taking the shade Flux. Be taking the shade Fawn. I want a little bit of reddish brown in my crease, so I'm going to be adding Chestnut. Going back into my fluffy crease brush, I'm going to be taking Risky, and I'm going to use that to soften. Time for some drama. I'm going to start by slowly building up my crease, and I will start by using brunette. Don't forget to go back into your fluffy crease brush and just blend away. Now I'm going to be taking Wiz. With Wiz, I'm not going to drag that all the way to my inner crease. I'm just going to concentrate that at the outer corner. I'm going to be taking this tiny blending brush and I'm going to dip it into Risky and probably Fawn. Take a little bit of Fawn as well. And I'll use that to blend out the W's. Just at the top. Adding a bit more of W's. Repeat the step of blending. Now I'm going to take in the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11 with this tiny angle brush, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Honest, when you're cutting your crease, the brush matters. I just realized that myself. I just thought to try this new brush which is from OPV brushes, and it's a small angle brush. This just made my life so much easier. Normally I would be spending like 5-10 minutes trying to perfect the crease that I'm cutting, but this just took me like 2 minutes to cut. I'm gonna wait for the concealer to dry a little bit just before I apply my lid color. For my lid color, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Academy single eyeshadow in the shade Fudge. Before then, I'm going to be taking a fluffy crease brush, take a little bit more of Wiz and a little bit of brunette, and I'm going to use that to blend out the ash line of my concealer. Just a slight bit. Back into the fluffy crease brush, taking more of brunette, and I'm just gonna tap that at the end. I already lined my lash line. I'm just gonna be taking my NYC liquid eyeliner and I'm gonna use that to line my top lash line. To prep my lashes for falsies, I'm going to use a little bit of mascara on my own natural lashes. While I wait for my lashes to get tacky, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Step 1 as my face primer. Foundation today, I'm going to be going to my favorite drugstore foundation. I haven't used it in a long time. I'll be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 338. Maybelline, please, please, and please, can you make the super stay in 338? Please. Moving into highlight, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is the shade C11. Now I'm going to set my under eye concealer using the Nye Banana Powder. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using the Loreal Infallible face powder, and this is the shade 700 Classic Tan. To contour and brush up my skin, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance contour palette in the shade Medium to Dark. For blush today, I'm going to be using Slick Blush in the shade Sunrise. I already set my entire face using my Skin de Nivea. Now I'm gonna go onto my lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with MAC Currant. I'm going to be taking this gold eyeshadow from Ofra Cosmetic, and I'm gonna use that to add some glow. And then for lip color today, I'm going to be using the ABH Liquid Lipstick in the shade Seraphine. I am feeling, oh my gosh, hey, they're not ready at the movies today. So we've gotten to the end of the tutorial, dolls. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was, this tutorial was somewhat easy. Like I said, well, while I was doing the eyes, the best way, find a very good synthetic long brush when you want to cut your crease. This is by far the best cut crease eyeshadow that I've ever done. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. This is by far the best I've done. And I think it has to do with the brush, and also let your concealer or whatever you're using to cut your crease, let it dry down slightly before you apply your lid color or whatever you plan to use on your lid. The hair that I'm rocking is actually a wig. I'm just trying to get to Wakanda. I want to make sure that when they see me, they know that I'm from Wakanda. So I had to bring out the kinky, and I have to bring out the Ankara. Otherwise, how would they know that I'm from Wakanda? But thank you so much for watching, dolls. I really appreciate your love and your support, and for all of your sweet comments. I do see them, I do read them. If I do not reply right away, please believe that I'm busy with my 3 kings, and yeah, I do see them and I do read them, and I do try to reply. But like I said, thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.